In this tutorial, I'll show you how to visualize trading volume with Trade Detector. By the end, you'll have clear volume bars displayed on your chart in Trade Detector, so you can quickly see how much trading activity occurs with each candle. First, click Indicators. On the screen, the Indicators panel opens so you can add tools to your chart. This is where Trade Detector lists built-in studies and indicators. You don't need to change anything else here. Just open the panel so we can add the volume display. Next, click Volume. As soon as you click, Trade Detector adds the volume indicator to your chart. You'll see a new panel appear, typically at the bottom of the chart, showing vertical bars aligned with each price candle. Each bar represents the total number of shares or contracts traded during that period. Higher bars mean more activity, and lower bars mean less. If your chart is set to a specific time frame, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 1 day, each bar corresponds to that exact interval. From here, look along the bottom axis of your chart. You should see the volume bars scrolling in sync as you move across historical price data. When you hover your mouse over a candle, check the readout or data box to see the exact volume value for that bar. This makes it easy to confirm the numbers behind the visual height of each bar. At this point, the main goal is to verify that volume is now visible and useful for your analysis. Scan a few recent candles and note how the volume bars rise and fall. Spikes in volume usually indicate increased interest or participation around those price moves. Consistently low bars show quieter periods. Watching how volume behaves as price approaches support, resistance, or key levels can help you understand the strength behind the move. The important thing right now is simply confirming that the volume panel is present and actively updating as your chart updates. If your chart has multiple symbols or time frames available, the volume indicator will follow whatever is currently selected. When you switch symbols or change the time frame, the volume bars will automatically refresh to match the new data. You don't need to re-add the indicator each time. It remains on your chart once added. As you continue reviewing the chart, you'll notice that volume updates in real time on live markets and populates historically on past candles. This makes it straightforward to compare recent activity with prior sessions and spot unusual surges. Keep your cursor moving across different sections of the chart to familiarize yourself with how the values shift over time. If you're recording notes or sharing your screen, pause briefly on a few key points where volume is notably higher or lower. This helps illustrate the relationship between price action and trading activity without changing any settings. The default view provided by the volume indicator in Trade Detector is sufficient for a clear, immediate read of market participation. That's all you need to do. You clicked Indicators, then clicked Volume, and your trading volume is now visualized on the chart in Trade Detector. The setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.